did we go from honoring Christian martyrs to handing out candy to kids on Halloween? Let's find out about that right now. Hi, my name is Gail Neal and this is Jesus Stories, where we find out about Christian history and about heroes of the faith. Halloween was outlawed in parts of the United States because of negative attitudes towards Catholicism. Once large numbers of Irish Catholics and Scots immigrated to the United States, in the 19th century, Halloween became a major holiday in the U.S. Most Halloween traditions were inherited from these people. So what were these traditions? An earlier video talked about establishing All Saints' Day as a day to honor Christian martyrs and saints. All Saints' Day is celebrated to this day throughout Christendom, but in Ireland, Scotland, and other Celtic regions, it became linked to Samhain, the Celtic New Year's Day. Jack-o'-lanterns, costumes, and trick-or-treating all come to us through Samhain. Jack-o'-lanterns were not always made out of pumpkins. The original jack-o'-lanterns were actually made of hollowed-out turnips. The story is that a man named Jack tricked the devil into climbing a tree and then trapped him there by carving the sign of the cross into the bark. Once the devil promised not to take his soul, Jack let the devil go. Since he knew that the devil would not take his soul, Jack felt free to live a life of sin. Problem is that when he died, heaven wouldn't have his soul either, so Jack had no place to go. It was a cold, dark night and Jack couldn't see his way. So the devil laughed at him and threw him a coal directly from the fires of hell. Jack took the coal and put it inside a hollowed-out turnip, and he has been roaming the world looking for a place to rest ever since. Pumpkins are larger and easier to carve than turnips, so when the story made its way to America, pumpkins became the jack-o'-lantern vegetable of choice. The Celts believed that the souls of the dead returned to earth on Samhain. Samhain was the last chance for these dead souls to get even with their enemies. No one wanted to be recognized by these vengeful spirits, so they wore masks or disguises. So we wear Halloween costumes today to avoid being recognized by super scary dead souls who are apparently pretty easily fooled. Families made soul cakes for these visiting souls. Soul cakes were like little round shortbread cookies marked with a cross. By the 1400s, poor people, often children, would go door to door praying for friends and relatives in exchange for the soul cakes. If a household donated food, good fortune would follow. However, there were consequences if a family did not donate. Like St. Patrick's Day, these Irish traditions are enjoyed throughout the United States. Now you know the stories behind them. Thanks for watching Jesus Stories. This channel is all about Christian history and about heroes of the faith, because so much of who we are is because of who they were. Please give this video a like and share it with the people that you care about. And as always, please do let me know in the comments about what topics you'd like to hear me talk about. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.